Evidence-based remedies. Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something truly exciting to discuss. Omega-3 fatty acids. These little powerhouses of nutrition are a real game changer for our health, and I will teach you everything you need to know about them, how to get more in your diet, and why they're so darn good for our bodies. But first, do me a quick favor. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our informative content. Omega-3s, folks, are a group of essential fats that our bodies absolutely need but can't produce on their own. That means we have to get them from our diets, and trust me, it's well worth the effort. Let's dive right in. Omega-3 fatty acids come in three main forms: ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. They play a significant role in maintaining the health of our cells, our brain, our heart, and even our skin. Let's talk about some of the incredible benefits they offer. 1. Heart health. Omega-3s can help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure, reducing triglycerides, and decreasing the formation of blood clots. 2. Brain boost. DHA in particular is a crucial component of brain cell membranes, supporting cognitive function and potentially reducing the risk of neurological conditions like Alzheimer's. 3. Inflammation control. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties, which can alleviate symptoms in conditions like arthritis and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Healthy skin. EPA and DHA help keep your skin moisturized, radiant, and may even offer some protection against UV damage. So now that you're convinced of their excellent benefits, how do you get more omega-3s into your diet? Well, there are several excellent sources. One, fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, trout, sardines, and herring are among the best natural sources of omega-3s. 2. Flax seeds. These little powerhouses of ALA are perfect for sprinkling on your yogurt or adding to smoothies. 3. Chia seeds. Just a tablespoon of chia seeds can provide a good amount of omega-3s. 4. Walnuts. A handful of walnuts as a snack is not only tasty, but also loaded with ALA. 5. Fish oil supplements. If you can't get enough omega-3s through food, supplements are a convenient option. Just make sure to consult with a healthcare professional first. So there you have it, YouTube fam. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for our health, and by incorporating them into your diet, you're taking a significant step towards a healthier, happier you. Whether it's through fatty fish, seeds, or supplements, there's a way for everyone to benefit from these incredible nutrients. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. Knowledge is power, and it's meant to be shared. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. And until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making those smart, healthy choices. Stay tuned for more educational content from our channel. Goodbye, and take care.